You searched how to buy shares of Farmer Bros. Co., a U.S. coffee roasting and distribution company traded on NASDAQ under the ticker FARM. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker FARM to find Farmer Bros. Co. Confirm you select the NASDAQ-listed farm to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see a basic company overview and a price chart for farm. Check the company information and the chart to make sure this is the right asset. To place an order, click Invest, choose the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will queue until the market opens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your farm position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.